Let's make wonton pizza pockets. What you'll need is wonton wrappers, oregano, salt and pepper, pepperoni, fresh mozzarella cheese, Prego sauce. I have a sheet of wonton skins. Use the side that has corn flour on it. And half a teaspoon of Prego sauce, mozzarella cheese, pepperoni, add salt, add pepper, add oregano, coat the edges with water, and fold. So you pick it up, fold the top, crease the sides, pizza pocket, spray olive oil on the bottom. Then we're gonna add a wonton pizza pockets. Then we're gonna spray olive oil over the wontons. Here we go. We're gonna set the air fryer to 380 for 8 minutes. Look how good these look. So delicious. Let's try them. Really good. Really crunchy. You have to try these. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and give me a big thumbs up. Bye for now and see you next time.